Hi, welcome back to the channel. A little first for this channel. I want to do a little product review and an unboxing and maybe a little bit of a test. Something we bought from the show last weekend from the guys at Colapz. It's this rechargeable twin head travel shower. So let's get on with the unboxing and we'll do a little bit of a test of it. Right, so here we go. We'll just open the box up. And it comes in a nice little carry case, so it's all compact. Nice little label on the side there. So we'll open it up and oh, there's the instructions. It's quite easy to use. There's nothing really to worry about setting this up. It's quite easy. Inside there's several bags. That's one of the shower heads with the little pump handle there. That's a little bracket with a little suction thing that you can attach to the side of your caravan or your camper van. Or it's even got a hook as well that you can attach to your awning pole as well. That's the pump. The second shower head, a traditional shower head. Your tube, water tube. I think it's 1.5 meters long from memory. So in this bag there's the USB charging cable. And there's the little brackets for hanging it up on the side of your van or over your awning bar. I'll show you how that works later on in the video. And there's a little O-ring there that goes on the end of the tube that attaches to one of your shower heads. USB cable again. That's like a traditional shower head. There you go, there's the pump itself. Inside there's actually a filter that occasionally you will need to probably take out and give it a rinse under a tap. In this bag there's the other shower head with a little pump handle. That'd be great for washing the dogs down, washing muddy wellies, shoes, sand off your kids' feet, because this can be taken absolutely anywhere. Just have it in the back of the car. So there you go, there's a picture of the complete kit. Let's go and have a little test. Right, so there we go. This is how you can affix it to the side of your caravan or camper van. You put the little suction cup on, the little bracket hooks over, and then I make a holy show of it, but with a little bit of manipulation, it slots in, and there you go. Job done. Right, I'll give it a good charge. Wire the power inlet there. Just need to cover that. Twist it tight, and then your water outlet's here. Very easy. You get your pipe, push your pipe on, and then tighten the screw thread. Remember, never power the unit on until it's fully submerged into the water. I've lost a little cap on there. Comes with a little cap. But anyway, this needs to now go in the water. So it's fully submerged. I'll now power it on. And there you go. You have water. This is a couple of the reasons why I've bought it, why we bought this, is for this really. I'll just power this unit on again. As you can see, that's pretty powerful. So we'll be able to clean Clare's boots, and we'll be able to clean my boots. We'll also be able to do Michael's feet when he tries to get in my car with all his sandy and muddy feet on the beach. like I've said before, that ain't happening. And we can also wash the front of the Caravan. So there you go, we've done the unboxing, we've given it a little bit of a test, showed you what we're going to use it for. I think it's going to be absolutely brilliant because, for one, the dogs, when we take them for walks, they don't want them running straight into the Caravan, so now we can hose them down outside the Caravan. Mike, when he's been at the beach, he always wants to get straight in my car, and it ain't happening. When we get to site and the Caravan has all got mud up the front, because we haven't got a towing jacket just yet, so we're going to wait until next year for that before we buy one of them. So in the meantime, this will be great for washing all the dirt off the front of the Caravan. There's going to be loads of other uses that we're going to find, but they're the main things. Washing the dogs, Mike's feet, rinsing him down when he's been in every muddy rock pool there is on the beach, washing the front of the Caravan, and we can even wash the Caravan on site with this little thing, so it's really highly recommended. Would have obtained it the right way. £40 we paid for it. I think it's a little bit more expensive online because I think it's, you got your VAT on top, so check them out. I'll put a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.